46 died, hundreds were injured, 21,000 were arrested. In Washington, federal troops guarded the White House. A machine gun post protected the Capitol.
They see us spend billions on armaments while poverty and ignorance continue at home. They see us willing to fight a war for freedom in Vietnam, but unwilling to fight with 1/100th the money or force or effort to secure freedom in Mississippi or Alabama or the ghettos of the North. And they see, perhaps most disturbing of all, that they are remote from the decisions of policy.
I want to introduce my wife to you, Mrs. Kennedy.
Shortly after the assassination of Martin Luther King, Senator Robert Kennedy, the younger brother of the assassinated president, stepped up his candidacy for the Democratic presidential nomination. He would oppose Hubert Humphrey as a stop-the-war candidate. Kennedy was a strong voice for change within the Democratic Party and had won the hearts of old guard liberals, blacks and Hispanics, even some political radicals. By June 1968, Robert Kennedy was close to winning the nomination and possibly reuniting a divided America.
Robert Kennedy, for me, was the last politician in America who could bring together rich and poor, who could talk to the whole nation, and had the moral outrage to challenge people in their complacency. And that excited me. And the California primary was in June, and I remember going to bed, and Robert Kennedy had won the primary, and it was clear he was going to win. All the projections said he was going to win.
Oh, my God. Senator Kennedy has been shot. And another man. I hope they can get the gun out of his hand. Be very careful. Get the gun. Get the gun. Get the gun. His hand is frozen. Get his thumb. Get his thumb. Get his thumb. Take a hold of his thumb and break it if you have to. Get his thumb.
My mother woke me up the next morning and said Robert Kennedy had been assassinated. It all fell apart. Everything had fallen apart. I really believed. I really thought he was going to be the next president of the United States. And I can't ever remember a time of feeling less hopeful about the country or feeling sadder.